I'm Frank Pisano. I'm the CEO of Bluefin International. We're here at InfoComm 2025 showing around the booth a little bit. Well, from a custom company of Bluefin, we can make virtually wherever your imagination wanders. So we use the booth to give people ideas of what we can do and what our capabilities are. So one of the first things behind me is our 23.6-inch circle. We actually put it into work with a partner, and a lot of this is our partner ecosystem. So we actually showed in a table format where we actually have our partner take a 23.6. It's got a built-in media player. A lot of those things that Bluefin does, we built in a commercial integrated media player. All of our product is meant to run 24/7. You can do virtually anything a stretch unit can do. We cut those from normal standard 16:9 products, so we can really hit almost any dimension people are looking for, provided it works with the design of the element we're trying to create. So we also do a lot of tabletop stands. These are great because they can be multi-purpose. Maybe one day it's advertising a certain cell phone, and another day it's advertising maybe some accessories. So it can be moved throughout a store or throughout an area where they want something that's not necessarily a finished install. They want to repurpose it and use it in other places. And as always, we can do it in a variety of different operating systems. We do BrightSign, Android, Linux, Chrome OS, Windows. There's a variety of operating systems. About half of what Bluefin manufactures is a touchscreen monitor. We do a lot of touch. We are a board level manufacturer. We manufacture everything ourselves, including the PCAP touch. And we actually, in this case, we would just go and buy the glass, the LCD glass, and we assemble that in our metal housings with those commercial operating systems I mentioned. In other cases, interactivity could be with our partners, and this one happens to be with Nexmosphere. But I can pick up a paddle and it's actually going to trigger content to play, just like a touchscreen would trigger content. This happens to be a way of getting a lift and learn product. Again, let the imagination wander, but in this case, we can build a high knit unit that may be outdoor facing. Maybe it's 3,500 knit. You want to try to attract people from outside a retailer or a quick service restaurant. And the other side is just regular display that's showing content. So we can do those with two operating systems so they can have completely separate, unique content on each side. Some people fear digital signage because there is a lot of complexity with the partner ecosystem. Content goes to one company. Sometimes you have to go get a media player. What we do is a high-end system on a chip. So we build that premium experience, that commercial operating system into our displays. Because we're ultimately trying to figure out a digital signage solution that works for that end customer. By working with these partners, we can get the best solution in that customer's hands and really solve everything that they're trying to accomplish with digital signage.